Hello my beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel. It's me Siamat here. Today I will make a DIY hair mask. It will work as a deep conditioner for you here. I always dry my hair with blow dryer. I use hair curler, hair straightener, and I also hair color on my hair. So all these things I mentioned just damage hair. I'm going to make an egg protein treatment. Trust me, it will just repair your damaged hair. So let's see what happens with my hair after using this hair mask. The ingredients needed for this hair mask are 1 egg, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, half tablespoon olive oil, and half tablespoon honey. And yeah, it's honey inside this Starbucks bottle. Egg contains protein, so this is the best natural protein treatment for hair. Sometimes we become confused whether we should use egg white or egg yolk. Egg whites help remove excess oil from the hair, and egg yolk helps moisturize dry hair. So both of them balance their benefits together. Honey. Honey is an emollient, which means it is a natural softener. This makes it a great hair conditioner that smoothens hair. Mayonnaise. It benefits your hair more than your body. Mayonnaise is made with the oil base, which is why it's great for your hair to get natural shine. Olive oil contains vitamin E that is said to keep gray hair away. It helps to prevent dandruffs and also good for scalp. Honey and olive oil work as antioxidant, so they tend to make scalp healthy and stimulate hair growth. Some other day I will make a tutorial on some uses of honey and olive oil for hair, inshallah. Now I'm going to mix them very well. I washed my hair first. You can use this mask on dry hair if you want. I will be using my hand to apply mask in my hair. Here is my dry hair. I just blow dried it after shampoo and it feels so soft. If you like this video, then press like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.